glad I made it here.
Go to the river.
You wanna go to the river?
Yeah.
There you go.
I've had years I don't brag about, and nights I don't bring up much. I've said things I still think about when the house gets quiet enough. I've been hard on people who love me. I've been worse on myself. I've asked God for a better road, then turned around and chose something else. But I'm standing here today with more than I thought I'd have. And I don't know how to explain it, but I'm not angry looking back. I used to think the pain was pointless, just something I had to survive. Now I see it taught me something about being grateful I'm alive. I go through it again if it brought me right here. Through the nights I fell apart, through the long hard years. I take the hurt, I take the rain, I take the times I lost myself, trying to find my way. If it gave me this heart, if it gave me these eyes, if it made me slow down and love what's in my life, then I can't call it wasted, I can't call it wrong. If the road that almost broke me brought me where I belong. Yeah, after all the pain, after all the tears, if this is where it led me, I'm glad I made it here. I don't need to have it all fixed, I don't need to understand why some prayers took so damn long, or why I fall on my own two hands. I just know I love a little deeper than I ever did before. I don't take I love you lightly, I don't rush out the door. I listen when my child laughs, like it's something I could have missed. And when someone holds me close now, I try to be there for it. I guess that's what pain can do when it doesn't turn you cold. It makes you hold what matters, like you're scared to let it go. I go through it again if it brought me right here. Through the nights I fell apart, through the long hard years. I take the hurt, I take the rain, I take the times I lost myself, trying to find my way. If it gave me this heart, if it gave me these eyes, if it made me slow down and love what's in my life, then I can't call it wasted, I can't call it wrong. If the road that almost broke me brought me where I belong. Yeah, after all the pain, after all the tears, if this is where it led me, I'm glad I made it here. I'm not saying I choose the worst parts just to feel them one more time. I'm saying they didn't get to end me, and that means something tonight. I'm still breathing, I'm still trying, I still mess up, but I still fight. And God knows I've dropped the ball more times than I can count, but He stayed close enough to catch me every time I hit the ground. I go through it again if it brought me right here to this break.